Alinga sabawota Alama alayalisa Kalisa Susaina flora Alama alayalisa Kalisa Susina flora Alama alayalisa Kalisa Susaina flora Alama alayaliso Kaliso Nene sarata koi bitala tamawa Jinni umi funti tade ul koi alameni kaira bena Musoli funti tade ul koi alama kela mimata mimana Ibota Gambi Idunta Senegal, Ibota Senegal, Idunta Bambako, Idunta Burkina Faso. Kamuru, Komoto Walang, Yamang Boda. Kamuru, Kosai Kulukeno, Langkatalai. Ibota Burkina, Idunta Nise Munebe Wula, Konkolebe Wula Munebe Wula, Alama Alayaliso, Kaliso Susaina Glera Alama Alayaliso, Kaliso Susaina Glera Alama alayaliso, susina flo. Alama alayaliso, kaliso, susina flo. Alama alayaliso. Alfa kende jole kumbota sarobe fankasibato. Namusyo kende jole kumbota wala sarobe fankasbato Wole frujato su Dolu wole etuntu su Wolu bebe fankaso tori mama bloko Hey, wala mandi Fankaso silata jai, pitikiti jai, soko esansero, wote fankasi bato.
Make sure you like and share.
Walinjolube ula, walube fenina, babanyola batala. Walube ula, walube fenina, babanyola batala. Wale hamudu dintolula, olube kasara la wula. Hey, alama alayaliso, kaliso, Susaina flo. Alama alayaliso, kaliso.
Boy, greetings to each and everyone right now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone, ones and ones, you know. I say more love and respect to each and everyone right now. Yeah, man, so it's like laughter coming for be, you know. It's all about, you know, mimicking Italy, how to call it, Libya, yeah, Libya right now, you know. The situation is mad, yeah. Like, many people are complaining the reason why African leaders don't take steps, you know, stuff like that, you know. But I think, you know, Cool Benjamin, Molma understand, Molma Libya understand, as experience is the best teacher. Ndolmi alanko ndarala through that way, we know, you know, Libya Benjamin, you know. So for that being the point, it's too early to blame our governments, our leaders, yeah. So Nyanda kana time ta bakele no nga jibe kolbe nyadile because Libya is never easy. Momo yalan ko itamidale through Libya. Yalan Libya be nyadile. You understand? So it is never easy. Libyan they don't care. You understand? So Libya negotiation chahan martin ndol Gambian ngana. Okay, I can say in fact people, everybody was because niaji from media at this right moment more baby complain kan ndol Gambian ndol be complain ka coming go government man step ta government be step talano kata ka just ka fly to Libya ka jo coming go yes mina Libya la rek nga jump up I take off my people and go back home straight. Libya to wasati minimum understand, let them know it as from now. You understand? Libyan banko di miyalan ko Gambian thing wo banko di miyalan ko be fly la rek tay futa Libya. Yes, we are my people na mo lel ngi pak rek ke moto plane ko ne ke fly to Gambia. It is at a possible la. You understand? Momo ilafte fangola to be honest. Nde situation of miyalan ka abe Libya, it is crazy to be honest with God. It is crazy. Situation in Libya is crazy at this right moment. More billion. And the thing is, many video bonika amanga coming kombe African ambe little back and or stuffs. Amanga kombe Libya back and mantara Libya how to call it? No government little back. Mantara ka mansakunda government killing back de because I'm not a politician. You understand? I belongs to no tribe. I go for mobile. Man joge umasi ben tribe. I belongs to no party. You understand? I belongs to no tribe. I am a Gambian and I'm an African. I'm proud to be an African. You understand? So, but the science situation of Benjamin, nye modo ni na banko mula or as an African, mbitala for African because of I'm born and grow in Africa. Zimi. But science situation of Benjamin boy, ning yen modo la ndafango individually. I could have gone for myself before modo. You understand? Libya Benjamin me complain kan people are complaining ko Libya inyanda ka plero la nyanda ka bo Gambia IG Libya because ndey ngajele same from ndafa ngajele ko it doesn't make any sense katara media let us complain to be honest with God nyanda ka complain to show the world that ko na kole ya ko ni na yalla ne ko mi la man ta diare ngata ni Facebook or social media to any other place it's better than katara na ato dun kan leader mu rake ka foko mi ha wol inyanda kata Libya le ye molta by force Libyan ta woti nyima understand you have to ask people Libya be nyadi ko kata Libya nyadi le I think wole sense make dan katara siring nyim dalbe siring kan na lidal muta ke bilitul mela lidal mba fala ko ha taninte ngi mantara kata kan they are this and that it doesn't make sense al nga nak bala fayda tan dunia la Libya manga ko min ko negotiation o nyanda katara jele ko between amatodum African Masakunda ni Libya fa ngabita Masakunda min dole eni Masakunda jumala ba negotiate la because I remember Libyan tol min jarta je tol winos bol ba jibe kan min yalan ko I jarta Libya le ndol ya face le kol ka kanya di le Libya ni na raje prisoner because on ka domori di la to be honest ko because on ka domori di le te fendi le la moje prisoner ko you will be like one. You understand? But for that being the point, with all that Nita Naraje Purkela Mota, they will count millions of millions. Ya for coming ko, Ning and Ilani Moka and Tolia Nula use, Nanineke Tenin Dunda Janam Borajana. You understand? So you have to pay that. And you are not going to pay for dollars. You are going to pay millions of dollars and millions of dollars. You understand? Every million or less, Purko Mold Findino prison. And if you don't mind, in fact, for those people, be mutale be fala, be mutale be sorona. So for that being the point, I'm going to pull that domino. To be honest, situation on amantara cooling, mobile. Everybody knows that the situation in Libya it is not good. You understand? Bol be sofa kanjele. To be honest, bol be sofa kanjele. Mini alam ko tambita je is sofa tale. Mini alam ko ibije right now is sofa tale. So you understand? So I'm gonna just jump up because of kafo coming ko political ndala party mantara in power. So for that being the point, I have to blame the government or stuff like that. No, it doesn't make any sense. One thing. Model be prison kono almost 3 years ibo prison kono regime jumaldi so to nyam kilingol dino jamela regime lo woti to nyam kilin doronati you understand jamela regime oldi I'm a politician. I'm not a politician. I'm not interested. Because politics is dirty. Political dirty talent, especially Gambia politics. You understand? But I'm not trying to tell me kalunga for ha nyimman sakunda karete flat aleta. Alma lo ne wole atina. Ato bebe siringa la blalto. Alma nan true back wila. Silula. Alma nan in komo silula. Alna red dol bije no indara fly kamele back way. They don't know anything about back way. So tell me along control jartal through it. You know, experience is the best teacher, as I said. You know, Libyan daw bankot, you know, alkana try ka fo ben leader musalam be bilitulla. Tubabol nyaro ñundol, you know, instead of ngata ka fo comme we need justice. Ndol no more slavery. Ndol we need justice. It's better but ndol we are just jumping up and telling the ndol ba fola moli ko yes, leader mandara fenke kan cool mandara fenke. It doesn't make any sense. Al nga try boy yalla na be negotiation o kala nya dide. Nga cool ke you and EU, you know, you cook, you know, at least in banko link. But ka fuko min ko mu adama barona la government o kudo you know be jump up la rek e flight jindi Libya ya fo ko tan nenteng you know yes mol nyanda kanale na mol dinna Libya banko di banko mi ko ñi ka dunje is a problem ñi tara fay dundaji alon ko kabrin dadde lebe problem ko no katanya to is a problem ka findi banda is a problem so problem fulalong you understand so andung fanang Libya el momoje you know ana fansung Mansakundal, Libyan Buffalo, Libyan Mansakunda, min from the Mabiji, in so called Mansakundal. It's more than I can say 100 Mansakunda, min baby. Momola territory bolto. So say agent. So you don't need to let her negotiate. You don't Ibajala Honey in event from a jig like Nimmo Libya, not trying, not prisoner form, whereby you know, could hand to hand. One man negotiation, layman fell long. So who feels it knows it? Ntole along. Mune ketaji and mune beji right now. So but in Kanaji nga political use so much so that mbafle ko yes. Al nga yetoku ya al nga fengeteng boy wo mete mako yi. Nkana nyum someone in political wila. Al nga try boy nga DM internet is very good. Kana kam fada itandi. No slavery. You understand? Nga try ngo tandi. Mako irlal nyayenje. It's better than Kataraye Kafam Ben government bilitulla. It doesn't make any sense. So ndoletaran through back way. In fact, way is a way. Nde maje coming back way or front way. It doesn't make any sense to me. Nde that's the belief I have. Because nde I'm not going to flight la, another geol, another cycle, another rider, another fenna. What you can do, I can do it. I believe in myself and I have self-confidence. And I can be no level of damning or more than that, or more than you in fact. So for that being the point, I'm going to try by all means, gonna sense me, gonna sense use. Political kana nyamandi. African politics is very dirty. More be fake ebela lose life kang. Ebela life lose kang. You know? Ma try ka feng muta ka use because of mo. Yes, ndela fala you know, ndeka mansa ndeka mini support. Wole nyandaka ta nyi mbe blame la or stuff like that. It doesn't make any sense. I'm going to try and send sotobang. Boy, nga stop you know nyimmansa ku nyin kudol natang let us talk anga kairo duwa bang anga kairo diam anga mako ro nyini bang isbiran jenen be lolum ba fala ko leader who are the leaders jumal le leader design in fact ndol na ren silo kabren tol bijen tol be sokono mon mi na de ka fanyel ko alkana na ni silo is crazy alkana na yalan ka mune foy nga fele ko nambe na chalo do you know mbe na tarajam you know so it doesn't make sense so bi nyin al mo ko duwa nobody pray for that. Mobuka dua pour you know yena you know yo difficulty face mo biye minale fata silo kan they don't deserve it you understand so ngana na Facebook or rek nga ko mi ko yes nga access to internet so I have to say whatever I want to say so mbafla you know despite you know mbar nga fo you know nga nyum sakunda dol jalay because of what itela fo I don't know party or whatsoever you may call it you know so too much of fuckery going in that city man in that country you know which no make any sense. Nga try be wise. Nga wise nga nyayele. Yeah man. Go for your country. You know? Can I just come and go individually, la party or whatsoever, you know? Go for your country, you know? It doesn't make any sense. You just sit down there spoiling the name of your government, insulting your leaders, disrespecting your leaders, you know? Well, you better seek for help. Atira ye Dani Roke mi alongo at least be makola. Gontola na mofi on dolbe komola ever since. You understand? So it doesn't make any sense. I'm not trying to wise. Politico kanam nyal mutaka nyamandi. Kuo ku ngaje no. Ndol baje la komi yo. Look, bombo clad thing. Too much of fuckery, man. What am to you people? Tara Facebook go to me cool for the mini and it doesn't make any sense, you know. Libya is never easy. Libya negotiation not only for just some weeks. No. It will not take you for weeks or months. Because the thing is, simple logic. Put yourself into that position. You are a leader. Say, I tell me from Facebook or the yes, I'll not try, you know. Hold on. Ita min gataro Facebook ote benden di role ba fala ko munana mansakunda manyinke no. Put yourself into that position or you put yourself into that basket. Nyim ko nange ki Libya. Your government represent it our mood rescue. Will you go? It up. Because they will kill you. It be falale straight and nothing will come out of it. Who kill you? Jumale fa family from afar. And at the end of the day, you will die and go to hell straight with no problems. Because Christian or Muslim, momo yalango ye from you have to go to hell straight. So it stays. So this is life. Ndol bijane no ndol yalane munabe kiring. Ndol we know what is going on. Transparent narani nyadilla. You know, it is never easy. Because niya jube, you know, tonyam kilimoldi. I'm not a politician, but I will repeat it. Because before you will go and quote me wrong, at the general said, yes, this is that and that and that. He is trying to back the leaders and stuff. It doesn't make any sense. What I'm talking, never diamu can come in co. Come Africa, more African not especially like Gambian. You understand? So kumumbo nyama. I'm not trying a wise, but I'm not trying a nyai. The political don't late. We are too late for this politics. Back way. I don't think that and the next minute I don't think that I'm Facebook or them. Alba Falako, yes, they should. Bilang Alba Falako, they should help the Yandake Mark with the back way, this and that and that and that. But before Albukofo, you cooking in Qatar, Alcalo, Janaliago, back way boy sini. Yung problem geta wow ñi sa back way la ñëwé du gëna fi gëné na félé because of Allah favor long I'll favor the politics pour ko man sekunda do mu deke samba koma wala nabi Allah fa kan tol use ka fa ko mo na almal why almal lon tolé before fa bi la ngal be just jump up la because of man sekunda ñim man sekunda do mu biji almal la fi ñim dama nga politician bi I'm not interested ñim party cool what I believe, you know, just not banko, you know, let my country go forward, you know. So it's stay until that's what we believe, more love and respect to each and everyone. Who say more love to Gambia, more love to Africa, one nation. So it stay. So this is life. Jamela regime tol bijele bon tol tara karamoto len jita. Boli la karamol kele jita. You understand? Ibe munekela, what can you do? Before you will talk, ibe ni regime o fola. Imira ko mala bang. 3 years back, 4 years, 20 years back. Eka karane ji. Ndol jita le no. Ngana kolke ngana education mrangi fora. Ngana kolke. Man, what can we do? Ñi ko saying, you know, yes, I will go for coming in Kenya beyond Ninku Kotamal Ninku. Mansabe du labi to boy. But it doesn't make any sense. Mansabe Kenya beyond, Mansabe Subuwa for Mansabe everything, Nalmo for. Bilang albelo alba for go Mansanyanda ka back we kiri. Do you think we are fools? We are not fools. Until we are very wise. Big up to all survivors. You understand me? Momo yalango itamira nyinsilo le nata. Ale mako big up yourself. Mini fana mbeko mo alma mansata la mako yinano. Kairo kono no. So Libya mimbiji right now, you know. Mbenya ndaka dua le no, nga dua. Either you are a Christian or you are a Muslim. Nga try nga dua, you know. From mansata la si mako yina futana iftadula. Because to be honest with God, it's never easy. I'm easy na. Condition of dobi jeka tarala suo kono boy. Ye fafang is better taro condition of kono boy. As dinky, ite wuli no. You don't have anything to do. Your stuffs londo nyimbele bari ma soto no kake. 5 years back, 20 years back. Ite you cannot do anything. Why will you sit at that country? For what reason? Your own country, you don't have any right to emphasize yourself. Okay, from a market rather to help people, you cannot do anything. We have to put our life into risk to come towards this Mediterranean Sea. I wish you people see that sea. We put our life into that Mediterranean Sea. Even though I have no voice. It doesn't make any sense. What to you people? Alkalo beer, Bafalako backway boys, backway what and what. Fuck to that dirty politician. You don't know. Politics boy, me a sense make boy. I'm not try boy, I think use me alanko. I'm not getting individuality. But for the interest of the nation, Bankola interest, let us go for that rather than to go for our individual things. Individual interest. It doesn't make any sense. Let us wise. Africa meet a common man. Everybody is jumping up right now, you know. Yes, African leaders have a bomb clot. And you read it? Sorry to use that word, man. Bomb clot. It's not, but I'm vexed. Because he book a long boy. Don't make a dairy in a boy. I'll make a long life. You are talking everything but daring, you know. But I'm patient, you know. I made a man, to be honest with God, you know. So I'll not try a wise. I'll can't use. Ndol bi jere kabrallo allo dirty political albela albafala ko be bol sendi lanamne ndunda jana le mbota jana kirib karab everybody is using just to tennis the image of that government and stuff al mandar ka ken tolere al baka gangal ko le yana la pati so bi nyal balla ko le nyakara biol things fall apart before you will just jump up and talk about the leaders. Think about yesterday imira kununa. Before bina jay ka fundulen ndajana mbora jana. It doesn't make any sense. Libya kudan dambole fulale. Libya example nyiko serekunda. Hold on.
Wolu bebe fanka so chori mama blow. Hey, ula mandi. Fanka so silata jai, pitigiti jai, soko isansero. Wote fanka.
So I understand. So kumumbo nyama Libya be nyame ngino amanga ko men go bafala ko Libya no deran kiyade ka fa Adam Barrow le fleta wa hani ya jamme okay na ko makilim fale hani ya jamme la rigimal ka fo minna ko ha bar munan na because kunumbe video do jibe kan the girl was very stupid abe just jump up ka fon tole ko ha munan na ya jamme la rigim ya jamme fleta atata how to call it atata Libya multan munan Adam Barrow mu fale amra le ya jamme la kekende ala si wala fale wala mira UN has to provide. UN level you provide, you know, coming Gambian killing Yandakara, you know, at least a taji, UN low semben 2 yard with full guard. Oh, it's not a joke. I'm telling you this. They are facely. Ndabo daming, you know, they fang, you know, they personally do mum major, but you know, Alma jump on the sign. I never pray for it because Mbijela, I know, you know, Cold Tarajam, too much of fuckery going in that country. Libya. Yeah, man. So Kabru will not, you know. You need to provide Gambian all not you know ka fo moliko jumale la fasela because as far as human rights is concerned it na no mo muta ya sendi by force amala ka sey e ka nyin ngarol ka prison jumale la ka sey jumale bore Gambia nde personal nde ko la mambo Gambia manta sey la so ngana je ko min go kudu hanna tara boy modol bije boy am boy modol bije hani fa prison ko is better than they go back to that country you know for more long because of miniale lose ka minna one them beat de one dem bidi wo metale wo over metale one dem bidi so al kana je ko min ko political na rasain pour ka ball defend kan dokel defend bilembe jump up la to say about ko si fall for boy so it doesn't make any sense so kabru na tale you know UN after then na tay mol negotiate so na tay ay mol ala ko min flight nying you know mol say say momo ni la mo sitano you know after then yalan yese indi o manga ko min Gambia damati Gambia yake Senegal yake Mali yake Burkina Faso every con hani sulal sulanyul Mauritanianul Morocco Chad ibele be prisonol kono ya on kana je ko min kontrol Gambian damalle biji so want to you people open up your eye politico kane mari nyamandi politico kane sambodla de miana ko it doesn't make sense yale ka fala kuma kuntanga jabo mu deyolti ndol meta deyri ndol na rayin ndol we knows and ndol yalla know what you people are capable of albe monokuto al ndol use no for your this dirty politics no stop blaming your leaders allow stop call leaders will blame you understand allow stop call leaders will blame ñi manke bi ñi magne nakale bi keloti sister nungol bi bafal dol bafal ko yes mune atina checkpoint you know this and that inyanda ka tarajile pour you know ñi momo la faka findi ikane findindi stuff like that comme ñi la faka findi yemuda yesa tenente jumala ma real so katama. The thing is Gambian told what we believe, you know, we believe in competition so much. Ndol believe ta competition hana tara sai jani ba fala mansa kunda hanin tol fam dammo ndani na korda ngamo cham kunda you know kare din kare you know adunda tubabu dum fana mbala fela hana tara benna sanon la wafila benna ni solo benna korda am danga tele bar mbala fela fana ndingoy tam fonten do nyaat fo bu gake fondal mi ko competition ko nyam ida beti ata mam beti ya fondal bu galaf kan dingol mu take pousse fo bu gake ba to nyam kilumol da nga jibe rek fondol mbuka competition okay ba we compete a lot. That is the bottom line before mbafla leaders all da mata ñi ko be kala no mboka never impossible lolu musuta possible ñun dañ bëgg competition torop dama ciapana holal ñom adi general dugan man tam dama bëgg suma dom baka dem dugan do wala bok de mum fa dunda mum fa dafa dem lolu xana du li am Gambia daf de am so dega benala so men dingul mutala ngay pousse after that ñu ko fall apart ñu bëgg tahawat wa Mansakunda la ñoo believe Mansakunda for telling me that we have to blame the Mansakunda. Who are you to blame Mansakunda? Where are you before? Kabrite wolbo tamul kurukur la and stops, you know. Bire na tare cool fall apart, you know. After be nyawanyang, you know, albuka wori fang. Alkana, you know, alka fa mole ko ni ba ku boys dugana fi gina. Ukal billahi ñina mo kendol tanga alla ñin kuma mbeb dore ham sa boy billahi wal daf de over stress sa boy mboka de ngeen de tok ci sen dirty platform yu non di wone boy bakuy xamal ñooñu lu nekk di def alla ne wol be min ke kam ite min fanga ci ka ko bakuy boy si yo xam nga tuba bi tamo mi ne karantol ya e kan sanol mu de ke suña tam buñ don sada sun everything kanana ngite ala ne no ideal ne kabri wol kana yino kan to la sanu mu dake sunya ideal no keta nyaadi de wol nara nin sila jumal so bi ka si ka ko min ba ku yeten ten e atol mo kilon min ndañi na fangandi mi gambenol wala nan ka fe Gambian politics is very dirty nyaal bal fongol fengal ba fla gay ba ku bo si chepe dugana fi gene na fele what me sense make wala ko nga try no nga do ko ke wala kuma yata after bi after ko min ko kanyum Mansakunda ko mu da kanyum Mansakunda do mu da ke jalay because of Mansakunda jalay wala batina la ba fala ko min go nyende Mansakunda mon tar do ko because of that ba boys it doesn't make any sense. Let us use our brain mune nyindi boy mune mansayati boy mun kuma yata boy al nga tere banko yo do ko rek wala kuma yata. This is the bottom line ban ngana jogo min gonde Halifa Sallah wala ndam jamal wala mu karet wala ku. Let us pray for our country, much love and respect with manners every day. That makes sense. Gambian told we have to wake up and live now. This past 50 years Gambia be nyama nimbi is yalani doesn't make sense. Katarajang mbe mol mutalambe kirsi size la boy, you know, Mansakunda boy, it doesn't make any sense. What to you people, the dirty politician me say bombokla thing too much a fuck with one. What to you BJ boy Gambia boy buka long boy until fangot boy from frustrated bal sendi lele bal kila tenne a beta dana America malangol ni ñu dol boy dañ leena delo dañu ñu ne dañu delo boy loolu la di diga nakala because of what is it for ete mari boy ibije le bang iñani lañu def illiteracy because ñaakira jealousy mu you know aben doubt la le but I believe ko illiteracy lang ñi da ba fa kam ba kuy tubabul na de min ken tolla ndol mu ne nan dol be kelam fan jawul di hansay tubabul le min be ken tolla tubabul na tan ko masilo la bo bu ka fa ba tubabul le fata ko yo ndol me wori fata ko yo we don't care. Ndolbe situation no min kono wo rijimo wo koma ma fa biide bi mandara biide before mimbe no Gambia nga fa wole fisa nga buko ke Europe jang nga kudo ke Europe jang miyan ngon ta kala na sokono wole fisa bi nga wole nga ke jang wole fisa nga ke na sokono because wuluta woldo nga ray so total ma ray so nunji ñi ko be la ray tan yi be la ñando tan le yemuta yi fa ñi ko be la ray tan la yemuta yi soro yi la tay momuta ya wis they don't give a fuck al man fem voto So bila nyin Mansakunda do not albafla albendol useless because of your this fucking dirty politics. Hold on, I'll sorry.
Ibota Gambi, Ibota Senegal, Ibota Senegal, Ibota Bambako, Ibota Bambako.
So yajele. So I'm sense make.
Kamuru, Komoto Walang, Yama Boda Boda. Kamuru, Kosai Pulukeno, Yankatalai. Ibota Burukina, Iduntanise. Munebula, Konkolebula.
So you understand? So nyi ko ba fala no bita mira la kudoldi. Alkande min jateng nte nka fali. I belongs to no tribe, I belongs to no family, I belongs to no party, I belongs to no nothing. I'm there for Gambia, enough love. And una roll out and say more love and respect to Gambia. Big up yourself. Big up all the kings and queens right now in the building. Ko xamantene xolal yow yaangi negas gor ci sa dekk bi yaangi cool. It's better than mobile red so ka lo internet do ka kumol fa mi yalla ka diate because of we are in a world of technology. Me can munna talk suma palace I say too much of fuckery, we don't give a fuck. Munna saga aduna bi yep. So because of what lafta ka family ñin lafta ka fame ñin atara lafta la ka fame al nga ñini nin silo mi yalan ko it worth it al nga ñini silo mi yalan ko I sense make le ya understand me bari kana jibe ko al nga ñi use nga ku nonsense sol fo tenin teng. Who are you after all? People have been fame and bad and famous face to face before this fucking Facebook. More battle fame that before Facebook face to face. Ya understand me? So for that being the point, wake up and leave Gambia. Politico kana mol nyamandi, politico kana samba crazy. Politico yatina la mol lusta na molla. Falio le ne fal malum bang, I don't know. So politico yatina le no mbe lusta na molla. I'll go stop. Ndole na bakwila. I'm proud of it. Nde buga regret wala. Because of memara roaming kono 22 years back or 30 years or 40 years back I can say. Nde I know wagwan. So ngana just see dronka poko mingo Mansakunda le chinta o kudo. Libya la Mansakunda ite bije ite belari la bungo ite malon teninte. After all sunguti no mandato fole ite yourself. Malam fay ben jibe kan fay montaran jibe kan. E baba kan ko man ñaanuma yalla man ñewelu melni baku ñoo alena ndole na ko do jël use ka visa apply pour kana tubabu du man nanu anara ni silo min alena mo le thousands mo le jël use pour kana ni ko mas flight la Mansakunda man son ka ko do e ticketo di mo le man son tampé di la dindingol mo na dindingol te la life ndal yi put into risk kana ni ko masilo la. That was the only option to let me sort of kana. Nada no fana la faka mol bilutul. Falto la karantan toldi. Falto la mole ko do soron toldi. Who are you after all? Jumal toldi after all. Mi je ka fo tendin. Amuna nal man diam kabrum kun muna na kabrum tamina. Jannim be ñin silo fa mala. Ñin silo jannim ba mala. Muna ne man son kayto di la mola tulal bu ko complete. Kayto bu kadi. Muna na kayto bu kadi because wo Mansakunda dol yo tubabol ke jawolti tubabo ida be nyini ndrol bimbul munande munane yake jawol ba kay o be ala la nyapo ne bango ko bawo ye jey fankel ko mingo yes nde kay nde sa ndebe kulinne fana tara ko man ko wol man fen so now I am okay I can boss the place. So that is what you believe, that are your beliefs wala la believe oldi so bi kunu munanal man blaming ke bi la ngal be wulal ba fala ko ha al nga Mansakunda blame because of ndola ni Mansakunda do be pending ndol lafta wol lesi. Welcome to you people. Welcome to you people. Munaketal tolla. Who are you? Ala man ndol ko tara sirin teng tol ben na kolal. Ndol ko fatal de. Trust me. Because ndela ya fanga decide because nda bijela fanga ma plan fanga kana ni life coming too much of fuckery gwan coming katara kam fanga ndol what we believe nga nyalon sinkumba kan ndol ya na mune atenna ndol ya mien si jang. Until we know it. Although politician on me and Al BG, Al Kalkan told use coming to your politics. My friend, Al Balfamane, you are joking. I swear to God. You people are joking. you know. So al nga try nga wise boy ñun dañ wise billahi wala tele wax baaxut yéen mun la ñoo use never. So ñoo xamante ne ñu ngi just jump up, you know, telling yow Mansakunda dafa war a dimbale xale yi nii dugg na fii génne na fële kirib karab nekkuloo ne xale yi la de ntol, you know, ñii tambita ñing silo la inata, you know, the first thing ikami mira ila bo emintu la ren Tripoli Trablus ike mira wala folula abe kala nya fa balula fa te balula Libya la Mansakunda be nyaade nanga Libya fongon nanga let me just manta because mil ñim altol minga alafa ko ñal lafa ko use as your politics minga ken nañ silo kan you have to just jump up yela aso samba jey you see the fuckery going on in that country, yeah, but the thing is Libya be push la le jiyo kono ñe push ñu area ñu Tripoli ko li push, you know, many alan ko they have been to this way, they knows Zimia deal with, so many alan they have been to this shit, they know how where I'm talking about, yeah. So the thing is, you know, too much of fuckery going on in that place. So ñing Tripoli Trablus ngol ye pousse Zabra ngol ala ko ñimela ke ku be mutala wala Zintan wala Ganapoli wala any other place Zimi a deal with. So this is not a joke Zimi. So ñi manke chahan kuti boy ngana taraje, you know, nka joko mingo for my interest or stuff, you know, it doesn't make sense. Wake up and live, we the Africans, you know, until we are full of vibes and potential. Wherever we are, we boss the place. Yo, the place come burn up. You don't know, mad thing. Zimi, but why we will underrate ourselves? Why we will be so selfish to ourselves? For what reason? For what reason? Because of a politics. Dirty thinking politics. Bambo clad. Telling me that I'm a politician. Yo, fire burn all dirty politicians, man. Because of this fucking politics, you want to use people. Telling me that, yo, bambo clad thing. I go on in the city. So I'm gonna wake up. Jang Bekodo Mutalanga Jo, Mansakunda Doto. Libya Mansakunda killing, as I tell you people, Mansakunda, there is no only one government in Libya. Too much of fuckery in that country. Ibela Kodom Talayajo, Mansakunda Doreta and Doto Yemuta Ye Sorong. If you don't mind, you will be in prison for the rest of your life. And nothing will come out of it. Fentabology, two-stabology. So man for you understand, Falma understand when Yalma understand na value in that way. Ah boy, Mboka boy, Limo land boy. Anga try boy, boy, anga duan molye. Minibe Libya, ñoo xamante ñu ngi Libya, ñu ngi sona, ñu ngi buga dee, ñoo luñ nit mooy ñaan. Waaye nekku na dañoo ñëm Facebook fii di yuuxu mel ni yow da nga buga fame wala leneen la. We have been fame face to face, bad and famous face to face before Facebook. If you don't know, in case I tell you, what am to you? Xanaa ñun dañ nekk fii pour di leen dunda. Tol bi jang boy next minute ñi mool fenke dafa ngal tol gana ci yalla bala gaay baaku yi lañ. Fuck to that word. Way is a way. Ya jame time tol boy ya jame wo jawara time wa bay ntol you know nga visa apply le nga thousands of dollars ngol la use pour visa e buka sonka dinna mune ane buka sonka tampe di dindu ngol altol Mansakunda ko mankol ali e banne alkale Mansakunda e tubabul legal jawoti min yalla ko without those people ntol to survive la. So what am to you people, in case ñara Angleterre dingol wala be keke la Libya Falama Angleterre be jump up lal or any country mo be daoda, I don't know, either America, Asia, any other place, in any other country. Yamra banku dingol will be jump up lal kata ka fo ko min ko ha mbita na mo letal Libya. Do you know Libya? I wish ale Libya long altol min ka diam. I wish ale Libya long. So ibitale diamu UNO EU ye negotiation okay. Because someone ke banku killing kuti European country be lebje EU. Ye gade sembo soto. Yeta, you know, towards Libya. Yeah, offer mu negotiation and you have to come full arm or negotiation with the mafang. Talking of Africa, Hanara Africa beleg atanyo kan kata Libya. Ala makava come in Gambia Mansakunda nyanda ka fly tale, just jump up and do the thing, go on mad. Bombo clad. It's dirty politics. You don't know. So Ntolanara Ninsilola, who feels it knows it. Ntolialane wagwan. Too much of fuckery going in that country. Yeah, me say. So, nga jube rek kol be nya dile no. Yes. Tubabudu na ma easy nak. Tubabudu ama easy. Libya mang easy. Bol bi jele be kasolla. And that people, ndem mantra fo ka fo go bol bi je wala diate prison kono. And I swear to whom I stand, there are prisons. There was a time me alongo Libya, you know, kol gena dofta nyintile. because yalla libenol be nyari ndol kanyim mim fangol bondi ten comme ngo mina internet do mbe nenna mbe kuol kela dol be la flago because ngabbi nga mando ja be la flago muta be janel o ka libeno klubal yandi lo ke woja bindile. I tell you one thing about Libyans. So it all kala fu wala nyim media man tare foko man tare nenkanteng comme yibe dani kanteng kairo kono is reasonable. But say Libyan ka jela ko nyinde nyimbe mo fala me mo tilimbala me jihadul la. So the reason Libya mol bije ibe la kolle be fala Libya bandi mi fon bije bandi prisonnier mi fon bije man sakunda mo kota soto malam fali yolo ne bang min yalla des linkedin wol tima hani UN fon to wol link la no yalla ka gambia ko hani UN ite wol link la no ka fa ko mi wo bandi yol ni ngoku ko ton Libya is full of gangs, full of gangsters abe mu woldi. So nkanaje ko min ko lafta ka femle nde I never ndamal lafinyina to talk about my country and stuff san tonya is a duty for every citizen diamu abete atale nak to be honest with God diamu atela ka atinna diamu la ka atinna ku jama biji alka asolf no but ngana diam kula min yalon ko lafta la make fame o dunia yelong wala batinna lay no mba use la mbe ko dol mutala be use la min yalon ka man sense make Gambia, let us wake up and live. Fontale da mala molbe Libya. Nda mala mote Libya. Banko yalang Africa ala bank ala mol bijele. Senegalel bijele, Gambianol be Malianol bijele, Burkina Faso, Niger. Sulal bijele, Egypt, Morocco. Dal even in Tunis, Maziriano libele be Libya, nyeta ro prisino ko nete belief la. Nde min fanka diamale teng boy, nde amanjari nde ko dul fali. Nde fema be fono lali. Nde be prisino ko nole. You understand? Ndabanda prisoner kono le Gambian do biji because yalla ne nyimbe kokse role fola e jendol tonya ndeke bane na kabdin so manda foti do boy momo yendelo ndan yen silo bula ndanam fa dam mala ko wonta mbar mol biji mi yalla ngila right fight because of what be mu banku di won ladi. You understand? But kokse role do biji tonya ala ye dawodaje ye groupe je mo kendol biji le mo jawol biji because bila sita mbebe nyimman sa kun atodum be nyim kokseru la jaw ya fala tonya kokser mbijel minyale nyim mo kendol fa man dara njibe kam be fenjin len kokseru le mol ba fla hani. So you understand? So mol bijele so kokseru dol bije ibuga hani nyi futara prisoner de be sorna libya bole nyam e to labina ya fo ko yes say nga negotiation ke le kodona fe nyi kodona fe yes say after the mbila mo bulala ya fu yana fe na nyite wana fe be ko do mudal ya tay bulu be ku kele da famna ibam dal hani ku dolom so yaje ibe mutale ye sorong ye lipa ko kayrata kering mbe prisoner do sulana da because mo be jigire ko min sula ke bare ngolong alfala almamolati bandole prisoner min do o prisoner ni bandil la prisoner long malam falka to mele ka fa je sarhadin miner libya ke balonel sarhadin wo prisoner mimman jelo nga mansia mando biji la ke be ka fa Usama Gambura la fa president yalla he is in Tripoli right now very crazy somebody nyama to long so prisoner is mad baro hani muneketa ata hani la wol telephone fon sako ka fa ko min kam mon leki yeta o prisoner pour ka fa ko yes al jolen mo humanity man dama buga dedo a gaay dugana fi gene na fele are you crazy what am to you yo da nga def lulu ke baru mo be jikita ko min go nying ase ku bonino ye kodol di yalla thousands in dinar pour ata gambianol bonde because mando biji akala fa pour gambianol free after then nyi mari la mole kodojo salam nyi ma jo fana yam fata mo bi nyi ne nga mo ne kete ke bar kabra do prisoner kono e kay la kodole kodobe ko ne fa kabri kodo nyi muta sain ye ke baru mo boutele ya boutele fo ibin mol yamira fa nga fatal a ngon sumali ke bonde and he is a Libyan, he is a imam in fact. Can you believe that? He's a imam ya nyamuta ya city yala ndol bijele kam mutale ke soro nyim prisoner ko mi yala ko ladula bu ko soro do bije jio bom prisoner kono mo kana si mo bebe lolal fo fano eke e pompol muta ye yele libeno la ko kulubal ya beke yalla libeno nyike soro kam ke mutale ye nyaada muta ya be city you will not see anywhere ye dundi underground ol kono dam yalla fonyo fon the brief is a problem. What am to you people telling me that Gambia government should come and do and what all we have, we need to pray for our fellow brothers and sisters down that shit. Lola ñu wara ñaan ñanda ko wala dua pour wolé fin do lo rather than katara siri ñim internet auto fo politico en dol ñamandi le fon dol mala mu nebe kering fa la am na ñimu ku caahan kulati. You think this is a joke? This is not a joke. I swear to God. Mol be in prison to le boy for more than 5 years. Still now, all dol prison dol bije ka Misrata. Mini jailong, you know, there is a prison in Misrata. What prisoner will they never negotiate anything? Will be negotiate. So what am to you sitting down there, you know, with your that dirty platform telling me that the leaders are not doing anything. What am to you? Want to Libya oti? Mavo leader man tara fenke kane. Baral ka mim fote nte man so wala and momo na yalan ko inata ni Libya la ngalo nako you will not. Who agree with that? Jumal be agree momo yalan ko inata ni silo la. Yaje ko government man kuke Libya. Nyanda ka wata yolo by Libya. What am to you people? Bomboklat. Until we are late to use social media. People have been bad face to face before this fucking Facebook and this other stuffs. Yeah, me. So what am to you people? So I'll not try, you know, wake up. Gambia, let us wake up. Ndol na ren silo, ndol yalo ne nyadi long, silo be nyadi le. Mode taranyin silo kang, anina terebe prison o fankono ang. Hani prison, alka nyun mimbe la voice moiteng. Albe nyun mena video, ite mo la afoko government man son tara do hula. Ndol mbe sirin na nyun platform olto, ndol leka tulaka afoko. Yes, guy, ne kundi ligi. Man, I am so disappointed about this prison. How to call it? These leaders, shame on you people. You don't know. You are sitting in Germany. You are sitting in America. You are sitting in England. You are sitting in Italy. You have never been to that shit. Government blame la. But we don't blame you people because you have not been to that place. Experience is the best teacher. We experience a lot of things along this way. So Zimia deal. Bombokla telling me that little mantara fenkekan. Warm to you people. So I'm not trying to wake up. Nganyayele. Situation of me before I baffle ko mansakunda mansonka flight key mansakunda manson nyinin kela. Mune ati no problem o costa. Ask yourself that first before you will just jump up and come to your that dirty platform telling us that Mansakunda did not take any step. What to you people? Ndole kodi jelle mutanga use. Ndole kodo kodi le mutanga kodo jelle use ka visa mutaka apply. Na visa mutanga surata, you know, suma kodo bi mungi request, you know, but I'm check, you know, just some minutes. Let me just see the thing. So what to you people? I'll not try wise Gambia. So muna na problemoti boy. Muna mundo la problemoti still, you know. What to you people?
Boy.
Hello.
Boy. Abanyari.
Kya man mbara man.
Nko.
Okay,
I came from Yellow. I mean, a solution of the science because I came be for the Tonyala. What is the solution now? Because we have our platform, can be seen in Janaba Diamuka, by Antamata through the river. Diamuta people like
yes.
So I came be for them, I understand. It is a minimum solution of the science. What is the solution, boy?
Yes, okay, you know, it can be important, you know, I sense make what is the solution towards this thing? Because as I tell in the beginning, experience is the best teacher. This should be the first thing, you know, me alango molnyanda ka negotiate ndol damal, you know, what are the solutions? Ndol me alango we have been into this shit. So ite amira goal second onyadile is better than before dolbe jump up la to say stops like, you know, mansakundal, you know, leader mantara fenkekam. To be honest, at the middle, ndala point of view, mafa mobile, but ndala point of view, Libyan banko the banko mi alonko, you know, alanga trying, nyanda ka tell mansakunda atre diamu, UNA, United Nations, ya try new wole nyomo EU UN, you know, towards Libya and issue. Wo nyanda ka wole try nga emphasize so than before me just jump up like a for coming go. Mansakunda man step up because molbe amanga ko nga video jamale la moy to be honest with nga video jibe janne about this issue but nkaje ko to be honest mbuka mo jama blame because he malum munen the problem they have not been into this way you understand so but the thing is you can blame coming ko Mansakunda anyanda katala anyanda ka flight tale ay ta mol kama Libya ngo le tandiko amanke ko anyanda katani ngo wila what possible la no who is out of it automatically. Nying atar wole at nambe Mansakunda blame can let us stop the blaming. So the only thing that I see, you know, Albert Minke kang, you know, is good. Al nga try nga diam mole mini be ko me kanana. because kabrin tolli to be honest with God ndolbe ya fonyele kabri ya fonyal kana nan ka fela wural sey nan ngana nyinga lo tonde be Libya billahi wallahi talla I swear to my born mother is dark I will not come to this way I swear Libyans are not the Muslims so the only solution then some infono limu solution oti surara maybe tamandalang but I know you I'm from Bikano I know your compound very well near you know but amanjar will be you know our social media you understand but the thing is ala try manzakunda nyini UN EU said link no towards Libya is better than ngatarasirim tol gamen on ka foko manzakunda nyinde wulale laita e ji Libya mulsika yena because the thing is Libya no momo be nyim prisoner kono number 1 ita domor dili la ndebe prisoner min kono nde I myself sunkaro kono nde dunda sunkaro andi ka fol mole sum by and force mbe sunnal andu wo sungo nyimbe sundi nyin sunde wato sir sunde ko ke 10 o'clock instead of 7 o'clock 10 lembe sungote la so nyinga sungote fana yale ka monedi la kasin dini just like this ibe fengo kele just janne rek kiki itamare di sorry mo nyina tele mo WhatsApp fa on install you know so ajel so ko wala ko no nyeke ke di la nin tamare dimple ko be domo bar wo be nyawnyang jinenol kabirin UN ya akiriyedi no anin gambia ko li tol ko ye may use only 10 people they have to pay 10,000 no 110,000 euros nyanda kaminjo andung ye mira within that 15 days keke miane ko le di la every day jang iko nyanda ko le ju so what to you so more you know ka jump up you know so but they don't understand that this is what I believe they don't understand mune be caring so this is the thing ndabole complain let us stop you know ka ko mingo mon sakundala man dara fenke kan daje ko politique wele won politique diamond you know so this
just to let you know like 1 hour ago Hussein Dawe statement of 1 hour ago Hussein Dawe statement of Fintinde on behalf of Gambia government komi membe kiri Libya they are aware of it and they condemn it nko ikemala sai
hold on sorry
nko
hello
1 hour ago Hussein Dawe statement of Fintinde on behalf of Gambia government komi membe kiri Libya I condemn it so ngalon ko am 100% now ya condemn membe kika Libya ko amanka ku kendati amanke haramadiya silud amanke yeah so Hussein Dawe ya so ngalon ko within this period dal maybe next 2 weeks Mansakunda I'm 100% they're going to take an action now because this is in alarming rate now kolbe karawde baba kala sayin dieteng
kewama manke ko ngi kundulere but the thing is han bi fama mbaje kan you know can you believe ndol we are far away from Libya manke ko min ko just jump up Senegal e futaji Niger le sutiyati la you understand Niger fama you know according to there is a Libyan embassy fabe abe Niger jail you know what fama they cannot me la fa kala by force you know kadiyamu wo fama you know because ka fa ko min kile ni ku ya daytandi they want the process and kill all the Nigerians in Libya. So who are we, you know, come nyanda ka ke by force le kan na government muda ke by force. Mbejakal sentime cool step by step long. Nda ko le foyi.
Mbejakal dum fara nga fa mo len kay ko. Da certain action nimmol ko mbakal de be nyef la gamelo ke be fala jel.
Be le fala. Liben man kaya. Nga nyina foyi this is the reason when they not alive. Ika foyi be ko tala nyami nyi koy ba ke la by force al nga government press. Al nga government press ndunda jana mbor jana. Ibe bol mutale be fala fende ke la ji. Because the reason is the thing is yana mol ma mi understand Libya fenel bodeje ni ISLO li nata dun jebe nu Gaddafi la banko because I don't want to talk about these things much you know because ni la fa ko le ka mol le ni ka mini yalan ko you know they have been to this thing but the thing is
mbar ngibula wandi faye do ini wandi faye kacha bake même bebe kono biya be fintindi pour mol ya long abe de fona de mala bakele ye koko ni Libya koko ni nkete Libya kana malu kana sila monya afo ikena ko momel wande fa sala na dunda nyambo ya invite sa in wande fa kacha koko ndi ni yalo about Libya laftale ya fo bi ye su melbe su kono fa ni wol fa ne diam ya fo ko ali kanana ha ite fon fendi lon kana silan kana malu mola afo bi afo B yenak momel
no yalan the thing is me at nan dol fanang mbugo diam bage tol ka jele ko min go nyibe diam ko on behalf of your country ite you are this and that and so it doesn't make any one dol fanang ka tara deiri nak but they never know anything
no ikane de nyun kula nyun ko tamita wala le ni diamuta your life means safe that can be your brother or your sister or my brother nyun ko tamita de wala sign nte bala na sinolo benam kan kan kombe sire wandi fata ni wandi fay kacha même bebe kono biya be fintindi su kono ko li yalo melbe tubabu du yalo ikane nyinke diya ku yakanti ni yaka diya ku yakanti drong li benol be mon li benna mon mak li bebe fala okay I'm out please thank you
bebe fala yes okay anything cool ne ko roge ga min boyno I sense me nak what are the solution dol sa muneke no this is the thing so this is the thing anyanda ka ketanne muna be kerin libya muna oh my god bambol hold on hold on I'm sorry so yeah so nyina be caring nyina be caring janimbe jombo blanga na leader blame al nga long so big up to ones and ones janimbe tarasiri nga kumol fo kumfo kuma kana fo ngala muna be caring libya man ko bankoti de ka fal nga jump break nga tanga libya attack nga na multa billahi wala man la fal mulla
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam
Mbaran ke kortanan.
Karo
Tanante mbalin ke la programo interesting tabake.
baraka ba
A programo balafa warta baba bakele alaya long.
Bila sister ajelle
Bari Al told me experience soto. Mbal danila al multali sensitized kendeke because honey be dolby je imam believe ko ni nebe keri. So false and dema alia mol sensitized kel wo musuka furin keo beka pare mol nyanta trailer yake government panakal damadi
this is the point
because if see follow and then there are certain things so I try to put it together more ka internet or use ika dunia kibaro la mayalo no ko libya no le nyama ta momo libya no dino bela sate pare ika salile ika sum but Allah min fo mantara ke kan kila min fo mantara ke kan imam bala faso to inyon
na sister
imam bala faso to muslimoye
I wish Libya ndam mafe Libya bele ka dolomin so nyin ko mbaflam to na tanya mu arabol lati ko mu arabol lati ko lefo but the thing is mimmal Libya long wala ka fal ngata nyapi Libya ka nyide lafti nyim de lafta na mula ndami lafta na mula ndami libya dal dan katara Facebook to katara kenen wala ka kuri fonna so this is the thing
ni ya domon dorong abala fa wara batale ala yalo bala fa wara batale bari yemin fo wala nga ala dane katun tol mu muslimo lete mu muslimo banko le ala dane mo salite yebulo la ala na kairo minti alama ala ya Kenya ala na funding kel kanta je mo beje alama ala kanta
Allahumma amin.
Tati
This
ike
is what we
fanya
have.
min fang adiminta bakala ala yalo.
Alhamdulillah.
Be man sakunda fanan danele sakata no nyawonya asetaria no nyawonya. In UN and this other organization almost a marco no ye bulol put together.
Yeah.
Because ama is imbaranke dolbi je dinkiling on la muiti la family kono.
Billahi sister, you know.
Ala ta kola e wulula albe dikri tolla la bi. And dolbi je fana you cannot blame them. Nyin dinungol fana niya jibe sometimes ite blame no la hamo wale samba.
No, nde wala kan dimila kuota nak ñi ka tara sirim Facebook de ba fala ko min be blame la tan nin tangi no ama easy sister. You know, amange biti de. Bi ko wonta ñu metal.
So this la alfala. Nga ala dane ala ma ala jisuma bonje.
Amin.
Ala ni laila kuma hormoto.
Amin.
Alo mare ala ma ala kanta. Alo mare ala ma ala kanta. No min tutaje man fa o me bulole kan ala ma ala kanta. Ala ni laila kuma hormoto.
Amin.
Be baro fana na ala man sakunda dane le ye bambanye ye akata ye damandin doro ye bulo ma damandin doro ha. Ye connection all dundi.
Amin.
It's a more general nya please just to talk about this ya for kind of one in kono ale kan ay bang no this is sad brother mbe dami emotional this is very sad.
No, the thing is, you know, don't go to Canada and Kakumul for, you know, but, you know, Nina come Libya from a people, Majala Dulbajala coming go, you know, Molmi Alanko, Ibe Koma, Wale Diata, or Kudo, you know, one time, Haramadi, Hanata Balafat Utila, Nita Aleta Libya.
Buke blame not back, honestly, Momo Tata Libya, Buke blame, Momo Tata back, Buke blame, because Minkata, Hamol and Bro,